Welcome to Nail Wonderland. Today we journey through the rich and vibrant history of nail art. From ancient civilizations to modern trends, nails have served as more than mere adornments. They are symbols of status, culture, and personal expression. In ancient Egypt, nails were colored with natural dyes and henna, reflecting social hierarchy and spiritual beliefs. Similarly, in China, nail decoration signified prosperity and refinement, with each color and design carrying profound cultural significance. As civilizations expanded, so did the artistry of nail adornment. In India, intricate henna designs graced nails during weddings and festivals, each pattern telling a story of tradition and celebration. The Renaissance in Europe saw the emergence of polished nails among the nobility. Noble women adorned their nails with tinted oils and powders, setting trends that symbolized refinement and elevated beauty standards across the continent. The 20th century ushered in a transformative era for nail art, with the invention of modern nail polish. Introduced in the 1920s, nail polish revolutionized personal grooming, offering vibrant colors and glossy finishes that became synonymous with femininity and glamour. Today, nail art has evolved into a global phenomenon, blending ancient traditions with contemporary creativity. From minimalist designs to extravagant 3D sculptures, nail art studios worldwide showcase a spectrum of styles that cater to individual tastes and cultural influences. As we delve deeper into the cultural significance of nail art, we uncover its role as a canvas for self-expression and identity. Across the globe, nail art serves as a reflection of personal style, societal values, and cultural pride, transcending borders and bridging generations. Explore the intricate history and diverse evolution of nail art with us as we celebrate its journey from ancient rituals to a global trend. Join us on this colorful exploration of beauty, history, and cultural evolution. Enjoyed our journey through nail art's vibrant past? Share this video and subscribe for more insights into beauty, history, and cultural evolution. Thank you for joining us on this captivating voyage through the world of nail art.